This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AresLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Wednesday, June 3, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. Bitcoin surges past $30,000 as geopolitical tensions flare, and the S&P 500 opens higher on pre-market momentum. Let's break it down.
The S&P 500 is at 759.57, up 0.14%. The Nasdaq 100 climbs 0.46% to 746.16, while the Dow Jones gains 0.51% to 514.5. On the movers, Bain jumps 99.900%, a rare outlier, and SEALC and PRSD both surge 900%. On the flip side, F5WS crashes 99.8%, IPOFWS drops 99.77%, and SBTKW falls 99.6%. The technology sector leads with a 1.25% gain, followed by utilities and materials. The financials and consumer staples lag, down 0.6% and 0.24% respectively.
Cypher, what's the story on earnings and filings?
Core Scientific reports mixed results, missing revenue expectations in Q4. Hive sees a drop in Bitcoin holdings, but posts record revenue of $298 million. SEC filings today include 8Ks from Oryx, Briacel, Luna, Ask, and Dorm. Dividends are in play with T-SPY, IGB, and LQDH, all announcing payouts today.
Pulse, what's the economic data looking like?
The Fed funds rate remains at 3.62%, with the two-year Treasury yielding 4.5%. Core PCE inflation is at 3.29% year-over-year. The U.S. economy grew 1.62% annualized in Q1. Today's key event is the BOC rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern. The ECB meets Thursday, and non-farm payrolls are due Friday. Expect volatility around the BOC decision.
Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch the BOC rate decision closely. It could trigger a dollar rally. The S&P 500 is testing key resistance at 760, and Bitcoin remains a key sentiment barometer. Keep an eye on the Nasdaq 100 as tech earnings season kicks into gear. The most important thing to watch, whether the Fed's hawkish stance holds as the BOC and ECB decisions loom.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.